everyone, welcome to another bite-sized tip. This time we're going to be talking about mastering the nudge. And nudging just means like moving things around on a canvas with the arrow key on your keyboard. Like so, arrow left, arrow right, arrow top. You can move things around very easily. So let's go and grab this Vans label. This is like pretty much an homage to the little rubber thing that you have on the back of the shoes. Let's go put it aligned to the right, and now I want to nudge it towards 24 pixels to the right. One very silly way to do that would be pressing the arrow key 24 times, arrow right 24 times. That would be a bit silly. So the other option is, and most like design software out there will give you this option. The other option is to press Shift, and so the way that I normally do it is Shift, it nudges things 10 pixels. If it's just one press to the arrow key, it nudges things 1 pixel. So I normally do this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it, 24 pixels. So this would be one way of doing it. The other way of doing it, let's just realign there. The other way of doing it, let's repress that, would be to come here, Preferences, Nudge amount. That would also take a little bit of time, but then we can change the nudge amount. I'm gonna do another version of doing this much quicker, which is Command/, and it's like right nudge, you have nudge amount there. And now you see like small nudge is 1 pixel, big nudge is 10 pixels. You could, for instance, change this towards 4. Let's say that you have a base 8 pixel grid, and then 4 is half of the 8 pixels, so half of a unit, and then let's put 8, and now we have 8. So now to move this 24, you have to do 8 times 4, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have 24. That's pretty much it. Let me just go back, nudge amount, set it to the default again, because I honestly am not very good at math, like some designers, most designers, I would say. And so I would rather like count like, hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or for instance, if you want to measure like 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 2, 1, 2, there we go, 48. That's my preferred way of doing this. The other way of doing this, let's just realign it to the right, is using the X and Y, the basically the inputs. And now, like, we just have to put plus, and then 24, and we get it at 24. That's pretty much it. Like, really simple trip. Like, I hope that you learned something, and let me know something. Like, let me know in the comments, like, what other like Figma tips that you'd like to see, some things that you might having trouble with. I would be happy to like do something custom just for you. If I feel like there's not enough content out there already explaining it, I might just send you over to someone that already explained it much better than I could. But if not, I can actually create that video for you, another bite-sized tip. So that's pretty much it. See you later.